Welcome, my people. Welcome to the channel. Right here it's a 2022 Hyundai Sonata 2022. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off the trim panel and the door handle. Okay? Let's get to it. Alright, with that said, guys, hit that like, bang that subscribe, support the channel. There's a cash app in the link below. If you guys wanna sit at the top of the channel, hit that cash app, support the channel, guys. Least you can do. Let me tell you a secret. Come here. You, come here. Don't be selfish. I just helped you out, right? Exactly. Least you could do, support the channel. Yeah, support the channel. All right, with that said, it's your boy Roy. You want to check it out? I'll see you next video, baby. Bam! First thing that I wanna show you guys is there's a screw down here. Let's go play peekaboo, guys. It's right down there. Here it is. You see that screw right there, guys? Take it out. That's a Philip, okay? Go down and take that screw from out of there. This one is just one screw. All right. After you guys take the screw out, you use the flathead screwdriver. I want you to jam it right between the crease of the trim panel and the door, and pull the trim panel away from the door. All right. Let's get back to it. Take the screw out, flathead screwdriver, jam it in, pull it out. Then you're going to use your hand, put it right there, open it up, snatch it off. Okay. All right, I'm going to show you guys how to take this cable loose, guys. You do not want to break this cable. If you break this cable, you're gonna have some problem, because you gotta change the whole thing, which means you gotta take this whole piece out, and the glass and the lock, just to change that cable. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to take it loose. Okay, guys, so you do that. All right, over here, we're gonna pick up the trim panel. Let me try to do this the best way I know how, because I have the camera in my hand, guys. Keep in mind. You guys see the little clip right here? You're going to push it in just like that and take it out. Just like that and take it out. If you guys break this piece right here, you got some serious problem. Do not break that piece. That's it, it's loose, okay? When you guys go to put this thing back, make sure this groove right here, this piece slides right in that groove and snap it back in that hole. That's how you do that. And then you're gonna take this thing loose. You're gonna take the harness loose. Right here. See the harness? Come on, man. Right here, there's a clip right here. You're gonna push it in. You're gonna push it in just like this and pull down on it just like that, which is this clip right here. You're gonna push this in and pull down on it, and it comes out. That's how you do that. Now let's go take off the door handle. See that? Comes right off. Okay, guys, that's the trim panel. It comes off. As you guys see, this trim panel is pretty easy. Comes off. All right. Now let's take off the door handle. Question. I'm gonna show you to do guys something. You see this piece right here? That is the switch that brings the mirror, that brings the glass up and down. If you guys want to take out that switch, it's pretty easy. Yeah. Get your flathead, put it right between the groove, right there, right between the groove, and pry it out. Comes right out. See? Comes right out. Take it out. All right, comes right out. Put it back, snap it back in. That's it. That's how you do that. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys how to take out the handle. All right, let's go, guys. Remember, it's the handle and that black piece right there. That black piece right there, gotta get in take it as well. See this piece right here? Take it out. Take this piece out. Just like that. See that screw right there? That's the number 8, guys. You're gonna turn that screw to the left, all the way. Don't worry about the screw falling down inside the door, because it will not. Because there is a protective clip around it that will not that holds it in place from it falling down inside the door. So you don't have to worry about that screw falling down inside the door. Go ahead and take that screw to the left, turn to the left, and loose it all the way. As you guys taking that screw loose, use the flathead and put it right between the groove of this right here. You're gonna put it right between that groove right there and pry the piece out of there. And you're gonna slide this out, back and out. All right. Now stay tuned and watch the groove. All right, guys, get yourself a 8mm, guys. 8mm and extension. Once you turn that screw to the left, hold out the handle, use the flathead screwdriver, and pry the piece out of there. See that? It's loose. It's loose. See? Loose. Now go ahead and slide the handle back. Pull it out. Just like that. Comes out. See? This is the piece that we'll try to take. You finish? You finish? This is the piece that we'll try to take out, guys. That's where the screw goes. We broke right inside the hole and the handle. Now, when you guys go to put this thing back, it's pretty simple. Put this one back first. Put that back first. This handle. Just like that. And slide it back in. Slide it in. Tie it back. Good to go. Finish. That's it. Finito. You want to drop in this shit, don't you? Alright, guys. I say take out the handle and that piece. I'm gonna show you guys how to how to take the front door apart, which is the trim panel, the mirror, the handle, and the door glass. I'm gonna show you guys how to take that glass out of there along with this glass. Anyway, if you guys want to know how to open this door, use your finger. There's a hook right here, guys. You can't miss it. There's a hook right here. You're gonna pull the hook back, open the door. See that? Make sure the child lock is off, okay? Make sure the child lock is off. Use the finger, hook it, open it. See that? Open it up. Alright? With that said, thanks for tuning in. Bang that like, hit that subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video, baby. The boy working away and checking out. Bam!